Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today we'll be using a men's shirt and turn it into a baby romper. I got this shirt off Amazon. It was about 20 something dollars, and I got it in the largest size I can get it. And then I also have over here the baby romper that I got from Once Upon a Child in the size 18 months. And I got it for like $3.50. I'm going to be using this as a reference today because, like I said, I ain't never did this before, but I'm going to try it. So I also went on there and picked up some new pins, well, clamps. I like these better because it's easier to use. I have my scissors, both my rulers, a pen, tracing paper, my measuring tape, and also my sewing machine and serger. Okay, y'all, so now we're going to start off by drafting our pattern out, and I'm working on the front panel right now. I'm going to go through this pretty fast because it's not necessarily a tutorial. It's more like a watch me do this. Now here in the collar, you don't have to do this for this size. Instead of cutting it out, you could just use the whole collar since it does match around the neckline of the baby's romper. But if you're making a smaller size, then you can definitely draft out a pattern for that. But for this video purpose, I'm not going to use it. I'm going to go to the next pattern piece. I just wanted to get like a little bit up close and personal about this part because this is the back. So the front won't be the same measurements from the back. It'll be two separate pieces. So we have the back panel, and which we're not going to worry about this line right here. We have the back panel, and then we have this piece right here that connects the back with the neck. So we're going to trace all the way around here. And that'll be one piece, and then I'll go ahead and fold it in half and draw out the rest of this piece right here. I'm gonna go in and seam rip the pockets off because it's taking in a lot of the space I need here. And then I'm gonna also take off the patch right here because I'm gonna use it and put it at the top, up by the collar over where the pocket would be, and just put the thickest patch at the top so it can be visible. So I'm just gonna take off these pockets with my seam ripper. Seam ripper is. This is my seam ripper. They come in different sizes. This is the one I have on hand right now. You see it's very old and worn out. But yeah. So we're gonna take these pockets out. We're gonna leave the buttons and everything on. We're gonna take these off and this. And maybe this in a minute. But I'm not sure. And the flap off. I might use the over scrap fabric, so I'm gonna keep those. And now I'm gonna unbutton the shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out too, because it's like white and wet. I'm gonna take this off, but I'm gonna unbutton this and I'm gonna fold it in half. And then I'm gonna go ahead and lay my front piece on it. So we're gonna use the front piece on this part. So let's go ahead and do it. attention to, but it's okay because I can fix it. Well, we can fix it. So I cut the back piece out in the opposite direction when it was supposed to be cut a different direction. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna I cut this in half, the back piece, and I'm just gonna place them right sides together, and I'm gonna sew down the side, and then once I get those pieces connected, I'll go ahead and sew the back piece together, so that way the crotch can still be in the middle, and you know, I can connect everything together so it can just still be fitting like a regular romper. Everybody make mistakes. I'm not perfect. I'm not a professional. So, you know what I'm saying, bear with me. But, you know, this is a fixable mistake and I'm fixing it. So, keep on watching. Results. I'm so happy with how this came out. I mean, I'm pretty sure it was an easier way to do it, but I'm always up for a challenge. And y'all, this was supposed to be a collab, but something happened with USPS, I'm sorry, and their shipping. No, it was them too, because they was late bringing the shirt in. But anyways, here's my friend Apryl. This is her business page. She does pressing on just about anything you ask her to put it on. So if you need someone to do some pressing for you, please don't hesitate to head over to Luxurious Pressure and place your order. Y'all, I really love her work. Look at this. Like, well, I'm go ahead and show you how I package my items. And thank y'all so much for tuning in. I hope y'all had a happy new year. And blessings upon blessings to you and your families. And thank y'all. See y'all in the next video.